Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to design your online course the easy way with Kajabi. So the first step is to simply go to Kajabi, and after that you're going to have to go to products, and then here you're going to have to simply click on get started, and then here you're going to have to choose course, and then simply click on get started, and basically that's all you have to do. Now of course you're going to have to enter the detail, the title, and basically you can simply use this info to generate content and additional resources and click on next. And then here you're gonna have to edit your landing pages, or you can edit your website. As you can see, you can change the color of the buttons, you can add thumbnail and much more. And basically after that you're gonna have to simply add your content, and basically that's it. So this is the easiest way to design an online course, and is one of the easiest and cheapest one on the market right now. So after that, click on next, and then here you're gonna have to choose and price your course. You can choose free or paid, and here you can choose the payment frequency. You can enter the price, and you can add the payment method. So you can see they have Stripe and they have a PayPal too, and then click on next, and basically that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.